Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, many times if you have concrete structure in front of your house, you might have seen cracks like this. You see the crack here and here, of course it's going all the way here, right? So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fill these cracks on your own without hiring any professional. Okay, so before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, you need to buy a good quality concrete crack filler. This is available in many stores. Like I have got it from Amazon, but you can get similar products from Home Depot, Rona and other stores too. So this you need to buy first. So guys, in this kit these are items I have found. Of course, this filler, this solution, it's semi-solid, and this I'm gonna attach here after opening it, and that I'm gonna pour. I have been ordered gloves, and after you pour it, you need this leveler. Do like this and do leveling. So the very first thing we are gonna do is, like, I'm gonna remove these stones and other things. You have various tools, like I'm gonna use some tools that I have, and I'm gonna remove it and clean this place so that concrete, when it goes here, it gets filled up very firmly. Okay, you need to make sure that it is clean and dry. That's very important. On a damp surface, like on a rainy day, don't do this. So after you're done with the cleaning, remove the cap from here and attach this nozzle and fix it firmly. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna gently pour it into the cracks. You can see I'm doing it. Okay, you have to do it at all the cracks. Okay, so after the patch is applied, we are gonna use this and level it like this, and then we will let it dry. So let me finish it for you guys. So guys, I'm done with this, and now you see the patch has been applied and I have leveled it. So we'll wait for a few hours, and on a sunny day it should hardly take a couple of hours or even sometimes even more to get it fixed. So thanks for watching this video guys, and let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.